Good morning from Caesars in Las Vegas. I'm Ryan Green. Welcome to Data Cloud Now. I'm joined by Colleen, Kapase, SVP of Global Alliances and Partners for Snowflake, along with Mona Chadha, Director and Head of ISV Partnerships and Marketplace at AWS. Ladies, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, this is great. So I just wanted to say that, first of all, this event has been absolutely amazing. One of the coolest things that I've experienced at this event has been that our joint partners, so Snowflake has just an ecosystem of ISVs that are very similar, that are aligned to AWS. Every single conversation that we had was all about, we got to do more with Snowflake and AWS. We got to do more with Snowflake and AWS. It's an absolute must for us to do more. So, I have to say kudos to the entire Snowflake team for doing just a stellar job at this event, and so happy to be here. And, I think this is just the start of, first of all, we've been partners for over 7 years, and it's just getting better and more like enhanced, and it's just, 1,000-fold, so it's all great.
Thank you. You can feel the energy, the excitement. It's all happening at Snowflake Summit. I want to dive into that 7-year partnership. Can you give us some, key perspective on how the partnership is going, takeaways?
Yeah.
Mona, if you'd like to start, kick us off.
That sounds good, yeah. Well, first, one of the things that we've done to really enhance our partnership all up with all ISVs is that we did a reorg recently where AWS Marketplace has been, in the past 9 years, always within an engineering org. And what we decided was that it really made sense for us to really integrate and to align more into the AWS partner organization. So recently we announced the merger of AWS Marketplace with AWS Partner Network. And so now we are one organization so that we're able to really provide one view to all of our ISVs. And that allows us to enhance our partnership with Snowflake. And so getting to your question around, what, have we done, and what we've really done is, and why we're aligned so well to Snowflake, it's really our joint, sort of passion for customers, right? The partnership amongst us is really centered on, the cornerstone of it is all about customer obsession. And whatever we do, whatever solutions we're jointly developing and innovating on behalf of those customers is all focused on that. And so some of the customers who are our joint customers are like Instacart, Western Union, Caterpillar, Roche, Siemens. And so we really together have been providing, helping them deliver innovative solutions. And so one example is around Western Union. So they wanted to really help cut costs, reduce their costs overall, and then really take their data and be able to more efficiently use their data to, one, create better pricing, as well as create new innovative products. And so Snowflake and AWS came together, helped them develop solutions where they can consolidate all of their data, be able to enable data sharing amongst their organization, and then also leverage machine learning so that they can enhance and train all of their data. So ultimately they were able to deliver this innovative solution to their end customers. Right. And that's what it's really all about, right? So, as we've sort of continued, we really focused on, delivering that sort of product innovation with our ISVs like Snowflake. And then what that's also in turn helped us to do is develop better product innovations and better features with AWS services. So it's really helped us enhance, Amazon SageMaker and all the different features that we have within Amazon SageMaker and other solutions as well. And so, as I sort of think about, what are the kind of key areas where we sort of developed, I would say it's around, one, building our, developing joint products in vertical and horizontal solutions. I think also delivering on Marketplace. So, as I mentioned before, AWS Marketplace is integrated with now the AWS Partner Organization. And so all of these solutions that we're building together, the horizontal, verticalized solutions, can all be transacted through the Marketplace. So now customers, as they're looking at, I want to quickly be able to deploy these solutions and transact these solutions in the most efficient way, they're leveraging AWS Marketplace. And then the other area that we're sort of focused on is around co-sell alignment.
Yeah. That's fantastic.
That's been really critical.
That's been huge.
And even at this event, what's been really cool is that we've had these conversations with the regional VPs within Snowflake who are like super excited about, yes, we're using Marketplace to transact. Yes, this is great. Our customers are asking for it. Our customers want joint solutions. So it's like, it's just
the collaboration happening in real time, all at Snowflake.
Yes, all here, and it's happened even before that.
Right.
And so it's just been an amazing experience, and I think that co-sell alignment has been critical. We have at AWS developed more integrated co-sell programs with Snowflake, so that our field is excited about it. They're comped and quoted and everything. So for us, it's all been about total alignment when it comes to field, when it comes to the field and co-selling. And then, developing those product innovations has been really critical for us. And then integrating products like Amazon's SageMaker Data Wrangler and Canvas. And all the other sort of integrative ML solutions. And then lastly, the thing that we've really been doing is working on SIs and integrating SIs into the equation, because you can't deliver these verticalized solutions without system integrators, these global system integrators, and they're the ones that kind of help us bring these solutions to market. And we also they also leverage the marketplace to go and deliver that from a global perspective. So there's just a lot going on with us, and it's just been amazing.
Colleen, from your perspective, would love your view on this partnership over the past 7 years.
No, I'd echo a lot of what Mona is saying. Look, it's been a journey. We were born on the cloud. We were built on AWS first, and maybe if you would have told some of our sales folks 6-7 years ago we'd be sitting here having this conversation, they might have gone, because it definitely has been a journey. We went from being competitors in the market, but focused on that mission statement of customers first, and I think that's what we value in AWS, and we're well aligned on. Frank Slootman, our CEO, mission critical, like that's where we're going, customers first. And if you put the customers first, everything else kind of clears the way for you, and that's what happened for us. And then, as a partner person, we found the joint win-win. We were on Marketplace and driving deals because our customers loved it, made it easier to do business together. And by the way, I think we love this reorg too, because it centralizes everything. It puts everything together for us. It makes it easier to do business, which is one of your superpowers as well. I mean, I buy a lot of my stuff through Amazon, I'm not gonna lie. But we found the win-win too. It's like, hey, we might have gone from competitors, but when Snowflake wins, AWS wins, in almost tons of cases. So that's phenomenal. And then seeing that pull through of those, products, machine learning, and there's so many people here, Ryan, so excited about the data science story and where we're going, and that power of better together with SageMaker, with Snowflake. It is resonating in this community.
It's a true partnership.
Yeah.
You can hear it, you can feel the buzz around here. Colleen, I want to take a kind of a macro perspective. I know that this partnership includes more partners than just AWS and Snowflake. Can you tell us more about how you work in the collective ecosystem to make this successful?
Yeah, I love that, Ryan. We're super focused on the data cloud ecosystem. That is our mission statement, priority number one from a partnering perspective. And our show floor at this event 3 years ago maybe could have fit in this booth, to be completely honest. And now, we have multiple rooms, multiple football sizes, and many of those are, sponsored by our global system integrators, our regional system integrators. We had our awards just recently, seeing some of our Deloitte, Infosys out there, Accenture, and smaller companies like PH Data winning together, and they have a strong background in AWS and a strong background in Snowflake. And in fact, we did an article together about how we're good friends. I had one of the CEOs say, I send that to customers. Customers want to see that you guys are working well together.
They like each other. We get along.
That you're helping each other, because they don't want to have friction between product groups.
Right.
And as you said, Mona, then continuing on that journey to do joint integration, joint product delivery, and those GSIs bringing it all together, it's goodness.
Such an exciting time. I can feel it.
Yeah.
Mona, from your perspective, as we look towards the future, what's next?
Oh gosh. Well, first of all, it was so much opportunity, and just coming here, it was like this has been amazing, and just seeing all this work. It's not just AWS and Snowflake. It's also all the ecosystem of partners that are around us, right? And also global system integrators. So a couple of things is really focusing on delivering product innovation for our end customers, right? So continuing to work on our integration with AWS services and Snowflake, delivering that in with horizontal and vertical solutions. The other thing is working very closely and enabling those solutions through global system integrators. That really is going to help us sort of scale and expand. And then to that end, it's also going to be about expanding globally, right? It's we've had a lot of success here in North America and building the business, but now it's like we need to go global. And as we're also working with more global SIs and other channel partners, they can help us get to that scale. So going into EMEA, going into APAC, and building, helping global customers, right, get those solutions together. So I think it's really about that, and I'm just really excited. And there's I'm excited about coming here next year, having this interview again, and then you telling us what have you guys done, and we continuing to build on this great momentum.
I love the journey and the perspectives, Colleen, from your standpoint. What excites you most about the future of the AWS and Snowflake partnership?
Yeah, well, one of the things that we've been on for this last year is launching industry-specific data clouds. That pivot to industry and talking in the customer's language. Many of our global SIs have been doing that for years, so we're catching up, but it's resonating. If you're gonna drive customer outcomes, you have to talk in their language. So we've launched 4 industry clouds, actually. We've launched the financial cloud, we've launched the healthcare and life sciences cloud, we've launched the media cloud, probably one you're familiar with, and the retail cloud. AWS has been part of that in every single one. And I think the one, obviously, I'm a little excited about is the retail cloud solution that we're doing together, making my life easier. The working mom, I appreciate that. And look, we're doing amazing things with some of your forecasting tools on the Amazon side, and some of your buyers and sellers understanding how much product am I selling through Amazon, how do I forecast what's coming next. That's a treasure trove of data. Sometimes for small sellers, sometimes for huge sellers, and being integrated with your CPG solution in the retail cloud is just powerful. And having you in all 4 clouds, that's just one example. Your healthcare solution as well. We all work with doctors; they write notes. What are they saying? Having some of your technology that transcribes it into layman's language so you can understand how to manage your health. Phenomenal. I think that's, Ryan, where the future's going, and I couldn't be more excited. And I'm so excited to have you as a partner on all 4.
I know, same here.
Well, thank you so much for the insight. Safe to say, book this in 1 year's time.
Yes, book it. I love it. We're coming back. Yes.
Thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now. I'm Ryan Green. We'll see you soon.